Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am showing some power circuiting and isolator circuiting and everything. So go to here. I just want to create one dB first and some dB schedule also. I'll show you some isolator functions also. I'll show you in this video. So I'm just creating new, create similar. I just creating one dB and I'm giving one dB name over here. Panel name, just giving like dB dash lp dash 02. This is my db name, and once I selected this one, you can choose the distribution system from here. This is my distribution system, and I just need to give the tag for this one. Give a leader. Then here you can change to free end. Then we can give the db name over here like this. This is my db, and I need to place some isolators and sockets over here. So I'm just placing over here. Okay, for example, and if I want to place some isolators and sockets over here. So go to here, the system tab. Then you can go to drop down from here, and you can choose the electrical fixes. And I'll have some isolators first. So I just need to take some isolators. So to this one, I'm placing over here. Just tab it so you can rotate this one, and the height of this isolator is 1200. So I'm just placing this one isolator I placed over here, another isolator I placed over here, another one I am placing over here, another one I am placing over here. So you can see here all the isolator is placed, and you can go to the 3D view. It's look like it's placing like that. I'm just closing this lighting and this dbs also, and I'm going over here. And for example, I just want to make it more isolators like this. Just want to place another some isolators also here. So how to give the power for this one? So my db is this one, and smdb is this one. So this is I'm just giving the name of smdb. Sorry. And after that, I need to connect this db to this db is feeding from this smdb one. So I need to give that connection also. So I'll just go to this 3D view, so you can see the smdb and db. So this smdb don't have a power, right? So it's need a power from this smdb. So for that, you just select the db and then go to power, and then you can choose a 400 watts this one. Then you can say select this smdb, so it is feeding to that smdbs. Okay, so that one's finalized, that was fixed. And after that, you can select this db, give a power. Then I am choosing like 230 or whichever things you need. So I can change from here. For example, the single phase, so you can choose single phase. So I'm right now just using three phase, so I'm just giving 3 and 400 watts. Just click ok, and from here I need to choose the second panel lp02. So automatically it will connect like that. So it's missed that one, so just select and give a arc wire. So this is my first db. Okay, so if I select this panel, if you want to give tag of this one, just a tg. So it will show like that, right? So you can uncheck the leader line, and you can change this one like this. So it is showing like 123 dbl2, right? So how it's showing, like I need ryb. So you need to select the panel first, then come here in the property, circuit naming, just give this one biphase. So what will happen, it will change to biphase, like ryb1 it is showing. So same thing, I need to just place this one, give a power. I'm just giving three phase 400, click ok. Then the db is this one, so select the arc wire. You can just stretch this one like this, just adjust the arrow like this, and just give the tag also like this. So it is showing like that. Another one, I'm selecting this one, give a power, three phase, just 3 400. Okay, then arc wire. So select this one and just stretch up to here. So it will be show like that. Okay, so just give like this. If you want to the more thickness, so you can select this one. So I don't want that one, so select the another one like that. So it is showing like ryb1 2 3, it is coming like that, right? So select this one, power, three phase, then 400, click ok, and choose the wire. then select this one like that, and then give the tag for this one, so automatically it will like coming like that, right? And here also you can give it like that, just give a single face, click OK. Oh, so sorry, no need. Okay, select this one, give power, three face, then 400, click OK, then arc wire. So it will come like this. So easily you can give the tagging for this one, TG for this one, and just to give that one like this. And you can give a power, a three face, 400, click OK, give power, and then you can select like that, right? Select like this, and the arrow need to point to the dB, so then give the tag for this one, so it will come like that. Okay, RYB6. So same process you can do for another rest of things. And I am just giving another some sockets also here. Go to system, device, I want to place some sockets, so here it is some sockets, will have some sockets. Okay, for example, I'm just giving this one with the 450 height, then you tab it, just place the socket like this. Another one I am placing over here. This is not in a proper placement, like you can place in the plan wherever you require the sockets. Okay, so you can place it that one, selecting that one, power, just give arc wire, so you can just make the socket connections also. So just select this one like this. Okay, then give a tag for this one, TG, so it will come like R7, and here you can select it. Sorry, just deleting this one, select this socket, power, give the arc wire, and then you can select like this, so it is pointing to the dB, and just give a tag, so it will automatically it will take the other circuit, and select this one, power, then arc wire. So this is also will develop it like the circuit is developed. You can give the tag for this one also, B7, right? So another one is here, give a power, arc wire, then you need to stretch this one and adjust the arrow like this, and just give the tag for this one, TG, so R8 is created. So like that you can give the circuit numbers. After that, if you need to make some DB schedule for this one, so select the panel whichever is given for this one. This is DB LP02, right? So select that one, go to DB schedule, choose default template, so automatically it will created like that, right? So I'm going over here and just WT, so you can see here, if you selected this one, so it is highlighting like that, right? So the DB schedule is created like that. Okay, so simply you can create it, and here it is showing like it is the DB supplied from SMDB1 like that. Okay, so all the informations are coming up over here. So if you want to change this R1 to for example, I'm placing to R9, so how it will change, like you can go to move down, so I'm just moving down that one, so see that was changing like that, right? So where it is going like this, so RYB8 it is coming, so go down, so I need RYB9, so you can change it easily. So like that you can change it all the things. So if you want to change this one, for example, RYB1, this is RYB1, right? So you need to move it down that one, and another circuit move down, so it is automatically it will change uh, as per your moving. Okay, so this is RYB7, so just need to be RY move up, just move it up, so RYB7 is coming, right? So like that you can change it. If you want to change this one, okay, so this one you need to do you want, you need to make a spare circuit for this one, so you can assign the spares for this one, so it will come like that, right? So if you want to make it a space, okay, so you can make it like that. So like that you can arrange all the circuiting and the DB schedules, like preparation is coming like that. You will be get all the total load, total connector load, and everything over here. So this is the simple exercise for the giving power for isolator and normal socket. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It is totally related to AutoCAD and Revit. Thanks for watching. Thank you.